Yo boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Harsha this side. In this video, I am going to show you how to wipe code websites like these completely using AI. And honestly, if you own a creative design agency, you can literally charge 10,000 to 12,000 to almost $15,000 for websites like these. I'll just show you. It's a Scrollytelling website. I just built it for Nike, and honestly, I just built it for as a proof of work to just show for to be sneaker brands. Anyway, I'll just show you how exactly it works. You can see it's a Scrollytelling website. It literally tells a story as you scroll, and we have a product 360 right here, which is pretty cool. Again, yeah, we can make it more smooth if we add more animations. Anyway, I'll just scroll down. We have the sneaker collection right here. That's great. And we have a last section where the shoe is being demonstrated. Honestly, these type of websites are pretty cool and they're pretty creative. Honestly, like whenever there is a product launch, they build this type of websites. Even Nike does that. There are so many brands which does that, but then yeah, you can actually sell it for your region sneaker brands. It's pretty easy to build. Again, I'm not any UX designer. I have not touched Framer in my whole life. Honestly, I'll be honest. Yeah, I have no design experience. I have been a bit in Figma and Google Stitch. So we'll just start, guys. Honestly, I had recorded a web design video. Let me just show you. I just sat last night and I recorded the whole video, but then the during the time of editing, I just realized that the audio was not captured, so I had to do everything again from scratch. Anyway, I'll just do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new folder right here. Let me name it slowly. Yeah, just a minute. Let me just name it Scrollytelling website. Perfect. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open Antigravity. There you go. It's getting opened. Let me just close this. Yeah, okay, this was the build actually I built last night. You can see it looks great, but it did not get recorded, so I can't do anything. I just need this prompt, guys. I'll be giving you this Notion template. Honestly, it has a lot of things. You can see. Yeah. So what we are gonna do right now is I'll be giving you the Notion template for free. It will be in the description and a pinned comment. So for Scrollytelling, we are gonna use this hero image and we are gonna animate this and make this video. I'll be giving the video as well. If you want, you can use, or else you can also generate the video right here. The prompt is right here. So you just have to add this in Google Flow and generate the video. But I'll be giving you the video. Don't worry. Just copy this. Just copy this video and come back to. There is one more link right here. Click on this. Open this. You have to paste your video in this and then. Yeah, just a minute. You just have to paste this and then you have to click on upload file. Once the video is uploaded, you have to select on video tools right here, and then you have to not video tools, just a minute. Yeah, you have to select on video tools and then you have to click on to PNG and you have to actually again put in your video, the hero section video which I actually gave, and then you have to click on upload video. I'll show you. You just have to click on upload video and then yeah, once the video is done, you have to keep the frame rate to maximum and click on convert to PNG. You will get a lot of images right here. Once the images are done, you have to download the zip folder. I am not gonna download because I already downloaded it for the last build. Yeah, there you go. We got a lot of hero images right here. You just have to download it as a zip folder, which I'm not gonna do because I already have mine. Yeah, once that's done, come back to Antigravity open the folder which we actually created. Click on file, click on open folder. The one I actually created, it was Scrollytelling website. Select this, save this and come back again. Yeah, now we are gonna actually use few, how do you call it, we are gonna clone few skills. Come to the GitHub skills right here, copy this, Control C, come back to anti-gravity, click on terminal, click on new terminal right here, paste the skill and bring your cursor right here and then type git clone space, enter. So right now what we exactly did is we cloned the GitHub template. We cloned this GitHub repo. It's Scrollama. It's for building Scrollytelling websites. Again, we have to do two more things. That is, copy this, come back to anti-gravity, paste it, enter it. Just a minute. Control V. Yeah, there you go. We have a few framer animations right now. We have few, what do you call it, scrolling animations. Let's install framer in our anti-gravity. Now paste it, enter. We just have to wait. Yeah, there you go, it's done. 4 packages and audited 7 packages. Perfect. Now the next thing we are going to do is come back to anti-gravity. We have the hero images, so what we are going to do right now is come back to anti-gravity, create a new folder named hero underscore section images. Now minimize your anti-gravity, go to your file explorer right here and go to downloads, and yeah, here we go. This is our hero section zip. Control A, Control C. So we basically copied everything. Let me just ensure that I copied literally everything. Okay, I'll just copy everything. I'll come to desktop, I'll come to Scrollytelling websites. Where the hell is it? There you go. Come to hero section underscore images, paste everything in. There you go, everything is being pasted. We have our full hero section in our hero this thing. I mean, we have the images of hero section in our folder. I'll show you, you can see. Honestly, it's great. Perfect. The next thing we are going to do is we have to add few .md prompts. .md prompts are just instructions given to anti-gravity. So the first thing, come back to the Brave browser. I have given you the Notion template, so don't worry. First is Gemini.md. Come here, just copy this, Control C, come back to anti-gravity, just click on Gemini.md, enter, Control V, Control S, come back to anti-gravity, skill.md, come back to Notion, I'm sorry. Just copy everything right here, Control C, come back to anti-gravity, just add a new, what do you call it, new template, new file, skill.md. Now paste everything, Control V. Oh shit, I did not copy. Anyway, I'll come back to Brave, Control C, Control V, Control S. Make sure to save your prompts. Click on Control S after pasting it so that AI can refer it. The third prompt is animated websites.md. Just copy everything pretty plainly. Yeah, perfect. Control C, come back to anti-gravity, create new prompt, animation.md, Control S, save it, come back to anti-gravity again. This one is for Scrollytelling hero section.md, which is great. Control C, come back to anti-gravity, create a new file, hero section scrollytelling.md, control V, control S, perfect. Now move this into, just a minute, I'll just minimize it. Okay, yeah, we have everything in the hero section images.md, which we don't want. Anyway, let it be. We actually created everything in hero section images.md, which is great. Again, it's more like a blessing in disguise. Anyway, the next thing we are gonna do is, I think I have one Google Stitch prompt as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell Antigravity. No, wait. Let's actually generate one more thing. I have a Google Stitch prompt right here. Just copy this and yeah, just copy this, Control C, come back to Google Stitch. I'll open a new Google Stitch. Google Stitch, perfect. Come back, open it fast. I'll be pretty quick in this build. Control V, click on web. I'll use 3.1 thinking model. You can use 3 flash as well, which is great. I'll use 3 flash. Let's go with 3 flash itself. So we'll have this thing built. In the meantime, I'll come back to Antigravity. I'm gonna tell, hey bro, we are building a luxury aesthetic, visually eye-catching scrollytelling website for Puma. It must be very creative. I need the hero section to be scrollytelling. Go through hero section images file folder for all the hero images and instructions. Let me just have a look at it. There you go, it's built, it's pretty neat. I'm gonna export this as HTML. You can also export it as MCP, but yeah, HTML is great. That is what I feel. Now I'm gonna name it section2.html, and I'm gonna paste the code right here and I'm gonna save it. Hero instructions and images. I need the animations to be pretty smooth and aesthetic and cinematic. It must be framer animations. Let me just minimize this pretty good. Oh shit, yeah, let me just minimize it, and I'm gonna tell it use. I'm gonna drag and drop these. Yeah, we already dragged and dropped node modules. I'm gonna drag and drop Scrollama and few of these packages for animations and scrollytelling effects. I need the section 2 to be the e-commerce shopping page, and section 3 must be. So yeah guys, I'll also be giving you the section 3 this thing. I'll just give the whole thing itself. I'll export it as code and I'll paste it in this thing so that you guys can use. I'll be giving you the code. Yeah, this is section 3, testimonial page. Testimonial page, perfect. I think, where the hell did I type? I'll be giving you guys the code. You can use my code so that you guys don't have to generate it again from scratch. If you want, I can give you the prompt as well. Anyway, I have given you the prompt, so I'm gonna add one more section. Testimonials.html. Perfect. Control V, Control S. Now what I'm gonna tell Antigravity is e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce page, and section 3 must be testimonials.html. Please make it as much as creative as possible. Let all the header texts and h1s be. We are going to be adding one more, what do you call that, prompt. I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, be blending mode, exclusion, primer text effect, and please go ahead and do the writing. Let the slogan be of Puma brands. One. Yeah, let me just enter it. And yeah, there are like few more things which we have to keep in mind. For building a website, you need to have a great what do you call it, writing. What exactly I mean is, you need good h1 text, h2 text. I'll tell you what exactly is h1 and h2 text. So I'll just open some website. I'll open GitHub. Oh shit, not this. Not GitHub. We'll go with some agency website, marketing agency. I'll just search leftclick.ai. Click.ai. Yeah, here we go. This is Nick's website. You can see this is the, what do you call it, header text, the definitive AI group partner for fast moving B2B companies. Again, this is great. You can see the writing is pretty great. So this writing must be done by a human, or we can also use some SEO tools. For that, we can use some SEO MCP servers. This basically ranks your website, or what do you call it, pretty higher. So I'm gonna search. Wait, I'll go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna search a group partner company for moving B2B companies. Any value. I'll just explain you guys. I don't want to complicate it. You can see this is the header. So we need to write the header, but then for this build, I'm not going to be using any MCP servers or any, what do you call it, any AI tools. I'll just let Antigravity write, because it's a demo website. It's not a production ready one. And yeah, websites are again pretty, what do you call it, they are the main sales funnel for any business. So in the upcoming videos, we'll also be integrating voice agents into websites. We'll also build pretty cool websites, and I'll also teach you how to host it, and I'll also teach you how to build AI voice agents. I'm into the agentic AI space more. So yeah, we'll be building everything. So make sure to follow. A lot of content is coming up in the future. But then again, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to build Scrollytelling websites. These type of websites, you can literally, what do you call it, pitch it for your local sneaker brands, or your local restaurants, or your local resorts. Because most of the sneaker brands and clothing brands, before a product launch, they have to run ads. So for running ads, they need a sales funnel or a website for what do you call it, showing out their product creatively. For that, these type of websites work the best. And yeah, the place where I live in Bangalore. Here there are a lot of local sneaker brands. I'm pitching to them as well. And yeah, one more thing, we were actually making a challenge. By the time Antigravity builds the website, I'll explain you how branding and other things work. Let me just show you with an example. Yeah, as I was telling, if you guys watched my last video, I actually started a challenge of starting a web design agency from scratch. You can just see here our Chrome got opened because Antigravity is using our Chrome. You can see we just created this Insta page fully organically. We started a web design agency from $0, completely using outbound sales. So we just started this page recently. I took up a challenge of starting a web design agency completely using AI, me and my co-founder. So we just started this page recently, and all the followers are organic, which is great again. And then it's organic. If we had run ads right now, we would have got a lot of followers. Anyway, it's organic. You can see there are a few things which I actually displayed in this. So this is one of the websites we built for Nike. We just redesigned it. You can just have a look. The audio is paused. It's great again. It's a Scrollytelling website. You can just have a look. We have a product 360 right here, and we have the collections right here. I just put in 3 sneakers and 3 more, 6 more actually. And then this is a testimonial page, and we have one more ending scrolly animation. You can see this is great. Again, I use Google Flow, and this is one more cool website. You can just have a look at this. This is just a meme. Anyway, have a look at it. I actually posted it into my other account, this one. Anyway, that is great. And this is one more website. This is actually the Scrollytelling website I built last night. Honestly, you can just have a look at it. The same one, but I also recorded a video, but the audio was not recorded, so I have to record it again. I'm recording it again currently. Okay, we'll actually get an implementation plan. So this is great. The website is actually built, but it does not look clean. Look at the Scrollytelling. It's hyper zoomed, but these sections are great, but the Scrollytelling one is not great. It's not up to the mark. So the problem exactly is in the hero images. It got somehow deleted for some reason. I don't know why, but I have to create a new folder right now and let it be like hero fiction. And even all the .md prompts got deleted, so let me just restore it. Here we go. We have it right here in public hero actually. So I'm gonna tell Gemini, let me just delete this. I'm gonna tell, hey dude, the hero section is hyper zoomed and is not clean. Please make it clean and make it aesthetic and visually engaging, and let the Scrollytelling effect work smoothly without any without any interruptions. And then let's just see Nike slogan. Puma slogan. I don't know what that is. Puma slogan or tagline. Puma, forever faster. I'll just tell it and use this tagline in the hero section. Make sure to make our website website aesthetic. And yeah, in the meantime, let's also download one more GitHub. Let me just see. GitHub repo for aesthetic branding. GitHub brand toolkit. There you go. Okay, no worries. Awesome cloud design. Okay, we have a cloud code skill for aesthetic branding of websites. Let's see. There you go. We have this. Oh, I think let me just start this and let me just sign in. My GitHub profile just got signed out. Let me just accept this pretty quick. Let's read the implementation plan. And let me just check out the hero section. This is not great, to be honest. Other sections are great, but yeah, hero section is not great. So let Antigravity fix it for us. I don't know what the hell, it has some hyper zoomed effect. Anyway, let me just close my GitHub. I have one more prompt actually. Let's use that prompt to fix the build. Not this. I think it's, yeah, here we go. We have it right here. Let me just copy this, Control C, come back to Antigravity, paste it, and let me just drag and drop the public folder. Take all the hero images from here. Now our website will be built. I'll show you. Let me just have a look. It's actually building. Control C, Control V. Let me just have a look. No, hero section is not great still. We just have to wait a bit more, and our request is still not in, so just a bit more of waiting and we'll have a pretty cool website built for ourselves. And yeah, let me tell you one thing clearly. In Antigravity, the mode is simple. You have to use a few more GitHub skills. I mean, I did not clone a lot of repos, that is why my build is not that perfect. But then yeah, you can the reason is it almost takes me 2 hours to actually sit and do that in detail. So let it be like part by part. In this video I'm going to show you how to build Scrollytelling websites, and yeah, again, this is production ready itself. But then yeah, there are more prompts, there are more .md prompts which I actually use for building. You guys can use that as well. I'll be making more videos in the future. Anyway, you saw the Nike website, you saw the website which I actually built last night, and yeah, the last night's video was almost 2 hours, but the worst part was there was no audio recorded, which is literally worst, because I pulled out my night for just building that website, and I also recorded it, documented it, but the worst part was there was no audio. Anyway, let me just wait a bit more. Let Antigravity build it for me. And I'm using Gemini 3 Flash, that is why the results are not so great. I mean, you can see the vertical animations we just saw. This looks pretty bad. The reason is I use Gemini 3 Flash. This model basically does not focus on creativity, it focuses on delivering the results faster. So we'll have a bit of clutter and we will not have results up to the mark. But last night I used Gemini 3.1 high and Gemini 3.1 low. I'm out of credit, so I'm using this model currently. Anyway, you just have to wait a bit more. Once the website is done, we can just move forward. And as I was talking how to build production ready websites, it's pretty simple. You just have to use Antigravity for the build. For hosting, I usually use Vercel, Netify, and Cloudflare. These are the three what do you call it, hosting softwares I use. Again, I backend I use Superbase, or sometimes I use Google Sheets. If the website is pretty simple, like they just need a simple landing page, I just use what do you call it, I just use Google Sheets API. I just create a service account and use that as an API and take the what do you call production, I mean not production, management cost monthly from the client. But if they want to build what do you call it, an MVP of SaaS or something like that, I use Superbase for the backend. I'll be making detailed videos on that as well in the future. I mean, my upcoming videos will be fully about AI voice agents, AI website voice agents, and also websites and a lot of things as well, and even marketing as well, a bit of marketing and everything. We're gonna make videos about that. So right now we just have to wait a bit more. Yeah, I just switched to Gemini 3.1. Hey, we just have to wait. This takes a lot of time, so let me just fast forward it. Honestly, I'll just wait a bit more, and once the build is done, we'll come back. Our new build is finally done. Let me just show you how it looks. Here we go. This is a new build. Looks cool. We have a cool framer animation, and we have a strong CTA right here. And yeah, looks cool. And we have to do few changes. That is, we have to remove this and this text after the first section. So I'm gonna tell it. So I'm gonna tell Antigravity, please remove the Scrollytelling hero and the forever faster text and the forever faster text after the hero section, and also make the hero section Scrollytelling video a bit brighter. And yeah, one more thing is the blending effect. We have to use the blending effect. Let me just show you. I'm gonna tell it, please use the blending modes, mask and exclusion framer effect for the texts. Perfect. Now it's gonna edit it pretty quick. It's not gonna take much time because we are using this model. I mean, this model is pretty creative, to be honest. You can also change the typography if you want. Let me just show you how. Typography reader. Here we go. You just have to, I mean, you can just go to Pinterest pretty quick and search for aesthetic typographies or whatever. I mean, you can also take inspirations from Pinterest, which is a great tool again. I'm gonna teach you UI UX in the upcoming videos, but for this one we'll just keep it simple. We'll just use Antigravity. Okay, yeah, just a minute. Okay, I already have my Pinterest account. I'll show you. Here we go. Yeah, we'll use this UI. This is cool. I'm just gonna copy image and I'm gonna just tell Antigravity, please implement this class morphic UI as well wherever you feel this suits in the best. Perfect. There are like so many cool UIs, to be honest. This is a clear class morphic UI. It's available on iPhones and stuff. This is what do you call it, blurry glass modific UI, which is yeah. I hope the video is getting recorded. Let me just accept this pretty quick, and there you go. We have our build complete. Let me just reload this pretty quick. You can see. Okay, this is cool, but still AI did not change our whatever we wanted. So I'm gonna tell it, please keep the Scrollytelling effect only for hero section. It must not continue for the other sections. Perfect. Anyway, let's come back to Pinterest. We have a lot of features which we can actually add in. Yeah, let me just close Pinterest. I just love this implementation of what do you call it, Apple style add to cart thing. If we want, if we are more creative, we can add more UIs as well. I'll be teaching you, explaining every single thing in the upcoming videos. I just don't want the videos to be lengthy, so I'm just trying to keep it to the point. And yeah, even lengthy videos are not watched by a lot of people. That's the problem. It directly impacts on my views as well. But yeah, anyway, the goal is simple: to build a strong AI community in India. Okay, perfect. Let me just refresh it. Oh, great. Looks great, not gonna lie. Yeah, perfect. So that was it for today's video. You can just have a look at this. This is great. Now the running is too fast. I'm gonna tell, the running is too fast in the hero section of Scrollytelling. Keep the speed to medium. Let it be, yeah, let it just be medium. Yeah, I'll be giving you this exact motion template in the description so that you guys can access and use it as well. I'll just change it to anyone with link. Yeah, perfect. Let me just accept this. There you go, it's done. Yeah, running is perfect now. You can just have a look. This is perfect. Again, if you want, we can change a bit more, but then yeah, this is great. I'm getting a call. Our site is built pretty decently. For one last time, let's just check it out. Just have a look at it. Honestly, the framer animations are cool. Even the running is proper now. It's medium. Again, you can see we have a sneaker promotion section and we have a testimonial section, which is great. We can make it better if you want to. So yeah, that was the video. I just showed you how to build pretty cool Scrollytelling website without writing a single line of code, without being an UI UX designer. And yeah, you can literally start today. So that was it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. They're going to be bangers for sure. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out, keep grinding, keep hustling, keep making money.